How to check your iPhone original or not? To check your iPhone is original or fake or refurbished, here's how to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Tap on About. And here look at your iPhone model number. If the first letter starts with M, it means your iPhone is brand new device. The device you have purchased is a new one and 100% original. If the model number starts with the F, then it means that your device has been through the refurbishing process. If the model number starts with N, it means it's a replacement device, meaning the newly bought device was replaced by its model due to a service request. If the model number starts with P, personalized device with engraving, meaning the device was sold as a customized iPhone with an engraving. So this is how we can check our iPhone is original or fake. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.